What's up? It's your boy Apollo. Welcome back to the channel, man. Ooh, nice dude. Look at him. Okay, we're gonna go get him. I don't know who he think he talking to like that. Today we hosting a meet. We're gonna have a meetup at a local gym. Go see my boy Cam. He bringing out. He's starting. Go see Ty. Go see a lot of our boys today, man. See if we can get y'all a little pool real quick. So we heading to the gym right now because we're gonna help Zola out in a little bit with the tent. And then we're gonna collab with her and Clay. That's why I'm going to the gym now. And then I might edit the last vlog. It'll already be up, the one you saw, or the last one. It should already be up. I'm gonna edit that. And yeah, so after that, we're gonna meet up with everybody, see what's popping. I'm about to go ahead and get into the gym. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get the foods in, the protein. I gotta go buy some protein. I ran out of protein. But yeah. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I might look rough. Sorry. Just got out of the gym, you know. Right now we're on the way to the shop to help Zola do her car with the tent. Like a little something, you know. So we're on the way right there. The traffic is kind of heavy. We in the Camry right now because, bro, literally, I've been almost filling up the M4 like every day, bro. Like, I've been using. I just want to drive as much as I can because when I wrap it, you know, I'm gonna take my time. We're doing a full custom wrap. You know, we're probably gonna do the calipers. We're gonna do everything I want to do to it. So, in that being said, you can't rush that. Especially the wrap, it has to be nice. So, you know, we can't drive it. So I'm gonna drive as much as I can, but I'm not gonna lie, bro. Not gonna lie. Like, the Camry gas mileage is so much better. Like, I think the M4 gets 22.7 in normal circumstances, but when I'm not speeding everywhere, maybe. But impossible. Because, bro, you can just be chilling, and next thing you know, you look down. Right now, I'm going like 70. And M4, if I'm going 70, it feels like 30, bro. It sucks. But I guess that's how they were designed. Mustang? Who is that? Damn, your boy never got gas. Your boy never got gas, ever. This is a common problem with me. But the Camry, bro, I didn't realize how good. Ain't no way that's a cop, bro. Can't even speed now. I didn't realize how good. He might pull me over for no tags, to be real. Let's see. Nah, I guess I'm safe. But I didn't realize how good the Camry was on gas, bro. Like, it barely moved, and I went out like a hour drive, 30 there, 30 back. But if I took this drive, bro, listen to how the car sounds, bro. Ever since I got that delete, watch. Oh shit, hold up. That thing is farting, bro. Burgling. Hit the wrong button. Yo, this hoe dopey dope. Knowing I'm getting in front of everybody, so I'm definitely gonna take this lane. Y'all almost to the spot. I just had to pick that up and show y'all boys. It sounds good. It's not what I want it to be, but it's definitely farting, making noises. Hey, that's a new M6 right there. I meant M4 right there. So yeah. So we finally pulled up to the meat spot with my boy Skeet. Not like that type of skeet, but like the skeet off, I think.
Like sperm.
No, nigga, don't say that. That's you. You sound more Apollo, but look at this though, bro. This shit hard. Who brought out the loudest BMW in Memphis? Real talk. You got anything, you know, repping the brand. Don't start that shit. Damn, is that Thome fucker? Huh? Oh, that's a Thome dog? This is Allie. This shit dope. Another female for y'all to try to talk to. And here go this hard ass shit. My boy Todd. Alright. Y'all ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, bro.
Ready to slide, brother?
Ready, bro.
Let's go,
We
bro.
outside, baby.
You ain't tall as hell. He trying to dunk on me and shit. Hey. Alright, bro. So,
You gotta cover the camera.
why?
You're.
Your boy. Hey, bro.
Eye Kandy Customs, bro. I quit to work at Eye Kandy Customs.
So right now we at the gas station, bro.
But let me.
These are menaces. The reason everybody get lost, this nigga and that tall ass motherfucking NBA prospect right here with the yellow shoes on. Nah, we gassing up. The highway was
Hey,
closed.
kid.
What you doing? What you
Damn,
doing?
it's the wrong way. Yes, sir.
So ugly, bro.
Go bags. Gang, gang.
Alright, bro. I need some juice.
Damn, but this whole pump is slow.
At Walmart, bro.
Notice how much lower my car is compared to yours.
I know.
I saw one that had like a devil face. The actual thing was like a devil face.
Man, I did not know they made this shit. Alright, bro. Y'all ready?
I'm ready. I don't know. You got a gas up?
Hey, you gotta get gas?
Huh?
Gotta get gas?
I think
like
dragging one of them cones.
5/8 of a tank. So it'll last me like 10.5 miles.
So we waiting on him. Think
Yeah,
about why y'all
talk about
hogging?
these cheap ass gas y'all got here.
Why y'all hogging?
Dirty ass car. Man, I wish we had some posted detail. Right.
You should have been getting gas instead of talking and airing out. Now all these folks want to get gas and they looking at us. You work at Target, bro? Hey,
I get all
hey.
I get all
This is what Target get y'all.
I get
A rare ass
hey,
car
I got 5
with a bandana,
Hey,
some bags,
I got 5 of these bitches.
with wide body kits
Hey,
and
I got
shit.
5 of these hoes. And my old
Hey, bro, this shit crazy. What you think about this shit?
Hey, man.
You work at
First
Target.
time, bro.
It
Hey,
is,
man.
bro.
Everybody got to live. Everybody
Hey,
got to
that's
eat, bro.
bad. But damn, you know how many of these he got though? He got 5. On top of these wheels, the wheels in the back, you see them? He got 2 other ones at the crib. Bro, I don't know what Target he work at, bro, but I'm trying to get put on. Hey, y'all gonna be making $100 an hour the way you be building cars, bro. Oh, it's the drug
Y'all
money.
need some weed. I mean,
Oh,
like-
oh, we gotta report
you
him
got
to
OnlyFans,
FDA.
bro.
You do got only that thing must be
Yo,
slow.
X in it. Shut up.
Damn.
Send me the link, bro. I subscribe. I ain't gonna watch it, bro.
Hey, me and Skeet started our own. But we go around
Why we
talking.
ain't link up then, nigga?
Because you light skinned.
live.
I'm dark skinned and so is he.
Nigga, you not dark skinned.
Ask Ethan.
Not
Ethan,
dark skinned.
Ethan, am I dark skinned?
You not dark skinned. Dark skinned.
Hey, you the most. This is the literally definition of light skin.
The bitch is light.
You white, bro. You white, bro. Are you ready? BMW Power Unite. Look at the boys. Let's see who behind us. Monty Camaro, that probably the ZL1 to be honest. But Skeet leading the way. Let's go. Hey, quit chasing the driver. Look at that man, Monty. Go. Go. Go! Oh, Ethan in the hose. Dang.
Dropping that shit on the cats.
Man, you see this, man. You see that car. That's the reason.
Smell it?
Yeah, I smell oil. Are you the oil burner?
Y'all smell weird.
Alright, bro. Let's go see who here. Whole lot of gang shit. The ultimate following. Appreciate you, G. Oh, she know how to snap. Now she can have her shit back. So how was the ride? I feel like I did a good job.
We were gonna turn right like 4 times.
Okay.
And then you guys kept doing
I feel like I did a good job of slowing down.
You went a little too slow.
But, okay, I was going slow enough though? Okay, cool. Where fucking Skeet? Because Skeet was the reason that I had to go faster. because he kept wanting me to do flybys and shit. And this is the same reason I don't got no gas. It's you. The sexiest man I know. And he chopped today, so he can't say shit. You can't tell me I got you without being chopped.
You the rapper? We met him when you came to Austin.
Oh, this the one?
Yeah.
You want to say he didn't want to rap?
These folks from Austin.
Is it him himself?
Yo, what's up, yo?
The super cool, super guy. Good, bro.
Oh, yes, it's us.
Zola, they got yours.
Yeah.
Who is that?
Ain't nobody else beside this slide.
You know what, bro? I feel like I know all the Z's, and then I see new Z's, and then I get offended. Cam, you see the dedication we got for you, bro? We got a valet parking only sign for you.
I was like,
I thought it was this shit.
This is my first time seeing a new one in person.
Hey, what year is this?
21.
21? If you ever get tired of the red, you know where you gotta go, right? I can't be touched. Alright. Is that close? Too much. Too much. You know what you could buy with 100K, bro? A lot of strippers. In case y'all didn't know. There's a lot of celebrities here. This man Juan, he's a celebrity. This lady right here is a celebrity. This man right here is a celebrity. Everybody's celebrity.
Yeah, we had open house.
This is like the best spot to be at.
Gotta go.
Hey, look, check this out. You got 2 doors.
So
that means that you only got room for 1 whore. But if you get 4 doors, that means more whores. But you know
I
what I'm
got
saying?
5 seats, so that's 5 freaks. This is dope. I'm gonna go talk to my professional detailer.
What'd you fuck up?
I did something wrong.
What'd you do?
I put it on the. I think I put this. I put this.
On a paint?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I want to see if you know how to do that.
Go fix it.
But you the professional.
This goes on the window,
Yeah.
right, and this speed shine, put that right into the air filter.
Yeah. Go talk to the cops. Everybody's just chilling and stuff like that. But really, he was acting like a dickhead. I'm not gonna lie. He didn't even talk to me. He was like scared.
Yeah.
You saw that?
Yeah.
That lets you know I put the fear in these niggas, bro.
I mean. Hey, so what we got going after this?
Huh?
What we got going after
shit,
this?
we might slide the Can house, get litty.
Get lit?
Litty in the city with 5 freaks and 5 dyke. I mean,
Hold on.
nah,
Hey.
no. You know what? Just cut.
Nobody 2 things for sure. You know what I'm saying? We handle business, right?
Right.
So, these niggas ain't up like us.
Man, nigga.
Hey. Oh, what we got?
Bro, we not the fat. Garbage. Oh, you still small, bro.
Me.
Bro, that might have been the same height as you in kindergarten, bro.
make it back for.
At one point in his life, he was tall when everybody else was short. Then he just stopped growing.
Bro, look, bro.
It was like, it highlighted
Bro,
your
you
life.
look like an old man. You
I'ma
look like a
start-
messiah.
I'm gonna start drinking nothing but
You
milk.
look like a
We
messiah,
gonna be
bro.
twins one day. I'm
He
gonna
look
drink
like he
nothing but milk.
meditate, bro.
I'm gonna walk up on niggas like
You
this.
look like he
like
writes
this,
scriptures. My man writes scriptures.
Somebody like Moses,
Hey,
bro.
give me your tithes, nigga. I know, that's how I pay for that.
That's how he paid for that.
Get the tithes, young nigga.
Yes, bro.
The church tithes, young nigga.
Nah, bro, really.
Jack Boys Automotive, Jack Boys Garage. This Jack Boys tire. You know, we got the motherfucker. Come on, show him what we're working with. Show him what we're working with. We got the food plate of an E92. You know.
Who you in, Mr. Goddamn?
So garbage ass on. You know, we got the motherfucking, sticker, certified, official.
You got all these people, right? And then there's Ethan. Yeah.
Parked as straight as Jacob is.
I got my valet sign right there.
No, like we need another spot to go to.
Alright, so y'all can't be here neither. Okay,
All right, say that dude, where we going?
I don't know. There's the only 2 big ass spots I know of.
Snowden Grove, downtown shit. All right, bro, so Sawyer talking to him right now. We trying to see what's going on. Let me get my stick and look. All right, man. I found you once again. I don't know. I just know Houston's not here. Don't be mad when you see this, Houston. I just know you're not here. This is literally where we were yesterday. We went to race. The first group rolled out, and then all we hear is, hey, Houston's in wreck, and everybody left this bitch gone, bro. I'm talking everybody going 100 something, and nobody knew where it was. So when we get to the interstate, we see him. Everybody pull over. It's a long line.
We gotta hit me up when y'all meet, bro. We do this long, we gonna leave trash and burn out from that shit.
Okay. That's what I'm talking about. See, when it's the Eye Kandy Customs movement, man, shit happens.
I wouldn't talk to them. They said we're fine.
They said we're fine, bro. Hey, don't come around here stumping
They
your
said as
lady.
long as we don't leave any trash and as long as no one starts doing donuts,
You hear
we
this
are
right?
fine.
From the prosthesis himself, the drift god. Something right here. Oh,
bandana.
she's a blip. She throwing up blip.
Damn, where my spot?
Literally, this whole Eye Kandy Customs road.
Okay, so where my spot is? You know what? My car got wrapped.
You got a nice spot in my heart. Does that work? Is that good? Not many people get access to this shit.
Do I need to put my
You
car
wrapped
up
my
over
car,
here?
but I don't
Bro,
get
we
access.
damn. See, if I would've knew, we could've had everybody on the line. I can't. You good?
Sir, how about you?
Chilling, bro. Waiting on Cam. We got the valet over there.
How's the car treating you?
Huh?
How's the car treating you?
Too good. I love it, bro.
You gotta be ready to hunt people down and start revving.
Yo. Alright, man. This is the person you roll with. I hope you know this shit. No bubbles. Alright, bro. I'm about to go talk to these folks, see what's going on.
man.
All right. You do not need to stand on no curb. You're already tall enough. You can see over.
Well, let me get to.
Hold up.
I'm getting everybody.
Hold on, my bad, bro. Perfect. Look at this marriage. I can't wait. We get to wrap all the family vehicles. My boy taking one for the team.
Damn.
No, stay still. No, I'm just playing. There's nothing wrong with you. Salute, soldier. Ethan Hill, recruited into the Female Academy of Cult. How do you want to be remembered, sir? Tell the people.
All my hoes, I love them.
Don't worry. Daddy's home.
They gonna take it.
You got whooped last night by a scat pack? A red scat pack right there?
He says by hair.
That's what he told
He
me.
says by hair.
Okay, what do you think?
Go talk to the cops, boy. You talk to the market. I mean, you the.
If only somebody could braid my hair here, fool. Okay, bet. My next chop, I'm coming. Well, what we gonna do?
What
I'm
kind
not
of braids
for-
you want?
I don't know. That's for you to decide.
I'm a freestyle.
Don't give me nothing crazy.
Bruh,
I got a little
I'm
presentable.
the braider, I do this.
Was too. Did he call Clay?
Huh? Clay car got towed at work. They got the wrong car. And they say he can't come till 6 tomorrow in the morning.
I'd be on there.
I'd be mad as hell. Introduce yourself.
What's up, man? How are you?
What's up, man? This shit is hard, bro. I cannot get over it. What's up, man?
What up?
What do you?
Yeah.
Right here.
I want to talk. You out here meals? Cool.
Bro, what's your phone number?
901 498
You ain't got no one-to-one, dude.
There's one.
You gotta find
Go
out.
ahead and check me out, man. Let me know so I can run before you do it.
Oh, no, don't play that game. Kind of blocked in if you're gonna go.
Don't give me no tickets now. Alright, bro. So I'm going to jail soon. That's pretty much Sawyer's the reason. Yeah. This
I'm a
nigga always
fed.
doing something, bro.
I'm a fed.
Alright, guys. That's gonna wrap up the video. Thank you for watching. We had a lit ass day, man. The car meet was a success. Not too much going on, just a few cops things. We just gotta get a permit from now on. I don't mean to cut you boys off. This is what it is.
I mean,
But
I gotta delete some shit on my phone. So.
yep. Just like the last video, he need more space.
I got my shit ready.
Hey, boy, it was so funny. I literally said that in the last vlog, but I don't care what you boys do. Just make sure you do it the best way possible.
I'll say that.
And I'm out.
I'll say that.